Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal around sunset here on March the 9th, 2026. 15 degrees here in Montreal. Not gonna last. Here we are on, what's the name of the street here? Yeah, so this is Robert Borassa Blvd. And right there is Place Bonaventure with the railway tracks that lead to Central Station. In the background there is that blue building that is so prominent on the skyline now, and the Farine Five Roses. Unfortunately, the sign is a bit obscured by that building. And there's the REM. And brand new condos. And here you can see this is the Stairway to Nowhere. And there's another REM coming in. And here we have a Via train headed out of Central Station here at sunset. Power car is on the end. The CV 44. This is the old power plant, and there you can see where it was fed by a track where I think they would change some kind of dynamo in there or something for maintenance. They might have even used this for coal deliveries, I'm not even sure. This might have been a steam plant at one time. Here I am now in the Peel Basin. And it looks like a train's coming. Now you can see the Farine Five Roses properly. Here in Griffintown. And here's the bridges over the Lachine Canal here at the Peel Basin, with Via Rail, EXO, and above it the guideway for the REM. Here comes a Via train passing over the bridge here at the Lachine Canal with the old swing bridge. It looks like an EXO train. And there's the old control tower for the old lift bridges here on the Lachine Canal. And here's the view down the Lachine Canal here in Griffintown. Off the Wellington Street Bridge. Here along Wellington Street, getting a little dark. The Amtrak train, look. seen this, even though it's a bit dark. Here on Wellington Street. Here's the wall of containers here along Wellington Street. Used to be a truck terminal, but of course everything is containers now. Heading towards Pointe St Charles. And there's the Wellington Street Bridge. And check out the lookout, see if there's anything going on. Maybe I can get a good view of the skyline of Montreal and end it there. Looks like there's something moving here in the yard. Well, they're still here. The old Comet 2 cars are still there as of March 9th, 2026. Alright, so here we have another train coming in. Probably the last one I'm going to film of the evening. And it's going to be a venture train. Alright, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.